guys, welcome back to the vlog. We are here in Garage 2233 again, and we are with Kyle. Kyle is actually gonna help rescue Noah because Noah has been started already, and we just gotta get Noah on a lifter and change the airline. I'm so tired from yesterday's trip, but today is another day and excited to get Noah fixed with the air suspension so Alfredo and the team can start test driving and tuning the ECU. Right now, Kyle is just adding a battery so that we can get the car on the lifter and then proceed to check all the airlines, because even if he sorted the air struts and the air management, the car is still tilting to the right. So we think the airlines could be compromised. This is 3 horsepower. Up, 4 horsepower now. Turn all the way right. Go, go, go. Sige pa. What's the verdict? What's the verdict?
All the 3 airbags, okay, but this one is leak. Baluktot na yung hose niya, boss. So this is the problem with 10mm or 3/8 fittings.
But I like the bigger airline because it rides softer.
Well, I can give you a better ride with a smaller hose line. But this is the problem. This is the routing problem. So baluktot na siya. 10mm is good, but routing the hose lines,
This is a thicker, hard hose.
Yeah, it's a difficult hose to bend. So 1/4 hose line will be able to, you know, bend in the corners, inside.
Well,
that's why.
Hopefully, when you give me the double bellow in the back,
we'll do it. Sadly.
Okay, Kyle, what's happening?
So we already replaced 2 hose lines at back. Fittings are also replaced. We use the Fortuner for air supply for now. And then all that kailangan natin gawin is the front. Then after that, let's try to sneak in the height sensors calibration if we can do it today. But the goal is to make it roadworthy. The reason why we're changing the hose lines is so we can route it better. The previous hose lines were, you know, nahihila na. It's okay, but for now, 1/4 fitting tayo, 1/4 hose lines, and then yeah, hopefully we'll be done in an hour before the deadline, which is 12 o'clock. Okay. So
I think this is a custom titanium exhaust, guys, and I had someone in my shop do it before, but he left. Interesting stuff. Hopefully it works. This needs to be replaced. This is just zip ties that's gonna melt completely off, which means I need to add an exhaust bracket system here. I think we're finally trying to charge it up.
Yes.
The problem is the battery is dead.
Yeah, it is.
Kyle doing some leak testing. I mean, you know, ideally next time maybe we should downgrade to a 3-gallon so that we can dump it in here.
Yeah, that's what I did to Akira.
Yeah, but we don't have this battery issue.
And you don't need that much air. The RWBs on the front,
Yeah.
only need 30 PSI.
Oh wow.
40. Akira has 3 gallons, 145 PSI pressure switch.
Sige, next time can we
Downgrade, yeah.
downgrade so we can dump it in there. And at least I can have some trunk space.
Exactly. And I just need to ask permission to both holes here.
Yeah, of course.
Because we need to mount the extra mount.
Yes. Drill some new holes there.
Yeah.
Why does it sound like compressor? There's a marble inside.
No, that's what happens when the tank is actually empty. The air is bouncing around.
This is my dead battery. It's an Emtrac battery and we forgot to charge it and tender it, obviously along the months of downtime since the pandemic. Alright guys, this is what's happened so far. So we've already installed the Fitment Engineering air management system, and as I was telling you guys, this has zero parasitic drain. You will not drain your battery. This is also why we're changing the battery. I called our friends at Emtrac. That's not my battery, that's from another car. My battery is Emtrac and it's actually dead already, so I'm waiting for Emtrac to come through. They're sending me a new battery so that we can mount it down there. And eventually we're gonna convert this whole system into a 3-gallon, which means half, so that we can embed it down there and have a false floor. So maybe I have like an overnight bag that I can put in here. Kyle and the team has also replaced the airlines. We were running 3/8 airlines, now we're back to 1/4. The problem with the 3/8 airline, because it looks like this thick, it's hard to bend through the car and bend through the suspension, and yeah, we had issues with that as well. So airline's been changed. These are the pressure sensors on the BU4 block. Fitment management, we're gonna go with 3-gallon. The battery is gonna be changed. After that, when the battery arrives, hopefully we can start the car so you guys can hear it. I also brought some speakers for the rear deck, and yeah, Alfredo said the car ran already last week and they just need to do more dyno tuning. We just got the Emtrac battery. Kermit, thank you so much for saving me. Emtrac to the rescue. So the guys wanted to install the battery already because we didn't want the Garage 2233 team to have to fiddle around with the management system so that we don't get any more air leaks. So even though it's lunch break, we are waiting to install this. This is the battery. It's an Emtrac Plus. And how many DIN is this? I think it's 74 DIN. There goes the old battery in with the new battery. Wala, you just...
Oh, tapos na?
Yeah.
What?
You went through the side.
Akala ko tatanggalin niyo pa lang.
No, through here, sideways, under.
Speed.
Even me, I'm like, no way. Just attach the compressor na lang.
Yeah, that's it. Done. Tapos ito. That was actually my first time to hear the engine start and rev just a little, and it sounds so good. The titanium exhaust does sound the business, and we are done here. So we're gonna be leaving the team of Kyle and seeing them in the shop after lunch. Right now we will leave RWB Noah in the good hands of Garage 2233, and we'll be back again next week. Thanks, Kyle. See you around. See you at the shop.
We'll see you later. Peace out, guys.